Hello and welcome. My name is Mark Harris, Vice President of Operations.
Hi, welcome to Indianapolis.
Welcome to Indy.
Welcome to Indy.
Welcome.
Welcome to the dormakaba Indianapolis Door Hardware Center of Excellence. This facility is 162,000 square meters and sits on 0.22 square kilometers. We have been manufacturing locks here since 1958. Here in Indianapolis, we manufacture commercial-grade door locks, small format interchangeable cores and keys, exit devices, door closers, and hinges. In 2019, we completed an expansion of 61,000 square meters. On average, we have over 534 orders processed per day. Our goal is to make dormakaba the easiest company in the industry for customers to do business with.
Welcome to the Entrance Systems Center of Excellence in Reamstown, Pennsylvania. Hi, I'm Derek. We're excited to show you around the factory today. Let's get started.
Welcome to Reamstown.
Welcome to Reamstown.
Welcome to Reamstown.
Here in Reamstown, lead times are important. We deliver custom solutions in 3 to 5 days for IGS and 10 to 20 days for entrance systems. Our 9,300 square meter facility has been at this location since 1952. We deliver over 1,500 different products and over 300,000 pieces annually.
Welcome to the Center of Excellence for Lodging Systems and Electronic Access and Data. This facility is located in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Here in Montreal, we pride ourselves on serving lodging, multi-housing, and vacation rental customers. We also have the largest PCBA assembly capacity within dormakaba, nearly double the next runner-up in Indianapolis, Germany. Serving our customers directly, attention to detail, and support are always top of mind. We are the new product incubator for all lodging products. Our culture here embraces lean manufacturing, and we have earned the bronze level certifications with distinction. We have a very diversified workforce of 550 employees with over 20 different nationalities. This facility has 15,000 square meters and is manufactured at this location since the 1920s. Today we produce thousands of product types. Every day we process orders for some of the largest hotel and hospitality organizations in the world.
Welcome to the Nogales Center of Excellence in the state of Sonora, Mexico. This facility is the newest manufacturing hub and began production of security and high technology access control solutions in 2016. Since opening this facility, we have consolidated other operational sites into Nogales and expanded our assembly to now include our commercial safe lock solutions since July 2019. Here in Nogales, we follow lean manufacturing best practices. This facility has 11.7 thousand square meters, and we currently have over 200 employees.
The Nogales factory is laid with 20 working cells. Each of the cells is optimized to provide the most efficient and best working conditions to our employees. We currently manufacture 5 different solutions, including push-bottom locks, multi-housing, E-locks, Lagarde, and Cava masks.
This facility has 11.7 thousand square meters, and we have the option of adding additional shift and to expand our production footprint by 50% to accommodate future growth. Here in Nogales, we're extremely proud of the high customer satisfaction spirit and focus, and for the union-free environment.